This topic is on what conversation to have with a homeowner that is on our schedule but yet has storm damage. When we reach out to the homeowner, make sure we let them know that it is their fiduciary responsibility to mitigate any further damage. Because we're going into rainy season, there's a potential that their roof could leak because they still have active storm damage. Due to material delays and insurance delays, it has put us in a position to where we will not be able to replace your roof until after rainy season. Therefore, it is you as the homeowner's fiduciary responsibility to mitigate any further damage. The insurance company is actually happy to pay this because they know if we prevent any further damage, at the end, it's less money that they have to pay out to repair your home. They're happy to repair the repair work to mitigate damage. What they will do is they'll deny a claim of any further damage into the home. So it's much better for our homeowners to have us repair the roof and add that to the claim than to neglect the area and be denied the claim to fix any damage that may have occurred as a result of not repairing the storm damage. So when we call our customers, let's make sure that we explain this to them. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. This is Joe with Kelly Roofing. Just calling because I see that you're on our list here for us to replace your roof. I see that your schedule date puts us after rainy season or after the point of rain start. We know that your insurance company has been dragging their feet to get this approved. No fault of you, no fault of my own. It's just where we are. There's other cases where the insurance company may have approved a new roof, but the material are delayed. And because there's a material delay, we won't have the materials until after the rains start, which then puts you in a position where you could potentially have more damage into your home because your roof is currently compromised. What we want to do is come out there and repair your roof to make sure that you make it through the rains with no further damage. This extra bill or this add-on of this extra repair work can be turned in and made part of your claim. And the insurance company will be happy to pay for it because in their eyes, a repair to the roof to mitigate any further damage is much better than the damage that would occur if water came into the home. That's why they're happy to pay for the repair, but will in a lot of cases deny the claim of any further damage.